Welcome to the world of luxury and performance, where we are thrilled to introduce the latest addition to BMW's lineup, the BMW X8. The BMW X8 represents the perfect fusion of elegance and power, seamlessly combining the dynamism of SUV with the sophistication of a luxury vehicle. Its design language speaks volumes, featuring a bold kidney grille, sleek headlights and sculpted lines that exude confidence and strength. At the forefront, the striking LED headlights paired with BMW's iconic kidney grille leave a lasting impression. The X8's muscular stance and aerodynamic profile ensure it captures attention wherever it goes. Step inside the X8 and immerse yourself in a world of opulence and cutting-edge technology. The spacious cabin is adorned with premium leather seats, a panoramic roof, and ambient lighting, creating a serene environment for both driver and passengers. Located at the core of the X8's interior is the cutting-edge iDrive system, seamlessly integrated with a digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution touchscreen display. This system offers intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The BMW X8 is not simply a luxury vehicle, it is meticulously engineered for performance. Equipped with multiple driving modes and adaptive suspension, it delivers a personalized driving experience, whether navigating city streets or conquering rugged terrain. Beneath the sleek exterior of the X8 are a range of robust engine options, including a turbocharged inline-six and a powerful V8, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience and exceptional handling. Safety is paramount in the X8, with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. The rear of the X8 is equally impressive, with stylish taillights and a dual exhaust system that accentuate its sporty character and performance-driven design. Whether embarking on a weekend getaway or tackling the daily commute, the BMW X8 offers versatility and comfort, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Experience the perfect fusion of luxury, performance, and innovation with the all-new BMW X8. Visit your nearest BMW showroom to witness it firsthand. BMW, the ultimate driving machine.